morning, good afternoon, or good evening to each and everyone who's watching this. My name is Rihanna Hernandez from 10 Scholastica, and I welcome you to this short video that will definitely add something to your knowledge. We will talk about a part of the brain which was mentioned in Janela Song Sining, and that is limbics. I will explain its definition, a short description as well as its location and function, and a few trivia about limbic system and the thalamus. So let's begin with the definition. The limbic system is involved in essential survival behaviors such as feeding, reproduction, and our fight or flight response. It is a complex network of brain structures that are located laterally to the thalamus, the one that is included in the topic and we will explain later. The limbic system is a group of interconnected brain structures involved in emotion, memory, and behavior regulation. Its location is deep within the brain and it surrounds the upper part of the brainstem and lies beneath the cerebral cortex. It controls emotional responses, for example, fear, pleasure, and anger. It also influences motivation, appetite, and survival instinct. So one trivia about limbic system is that the damage to the limbic system can lead to emotional instability and memory loss. So now let's move on to the thalamus. Thalamus is a small egg-shaped structure that acts as a relay station for sensory and motor signals in the brain. Centrally located within the brain, between the cerebral cortex and the midbrain, sitting on top of the brain stem. It relies on sensory information, except olfaction or what we call smell, to the cerebral cortex. It regulates consciousness, sleep, and awareness. For our trivia, damage to the thalamus can cause sensory problems or conditions like thalamic pain syndrome. So when you hear the word limbic again, don't say it's a cringe word because it plays a significant and important role in our brain. Again, this is Rihanna Hernandez from 10 Scholastica. Thank you for listening and for watching. See you on the next video.